something that immediately made you feel like
Oh, okay, like
it could
that.
be something
हाँ,
very small,
yeah.
something.
No, so I'll tell you. Like when I
Yes.
अब ये धीरे-धीरे रेड फ्लैग हो जाएगा because ये ब्लश ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं.
चश्मे निकाल के बीच में से बैठ गया.
Watermelon on your way. Red and green.
No, so right in the beginning, like because how I got to know him was I used to watch his quizzing shows during lockdown and stuff, and I got addicted and obsessed or whatever with the show. So उस time while watching the show, because my friend and I would watch it.
तब तक you not met him. You just
Never.
Oh.
No.
But a gesture of his, something that he did that made you feel like.
Gesture wise was for the other thing. Like we started dating, and the first time I ever felt that thing of, listen, I think I want to spend my life with this guy. You know, it was that moment was, because that again had never happened with me. I've been touchwood. I've had very nice relationships, but I never got that feeling of शादी करनी है. You know, मुझे अब इससे शादी करनी है, that sort of a thing. But I'll tell you, that was during, again, that was the second lockdown के just बाद, the second whatever cycle of COVID, उसके just बाद he had moved to Andheri, and I was at his house in this night, and मुझे little COVID वाला symptoms हो रहा था, and I was like, listen, I'm going to get a test done, that rapid test, whatever, and वो किया. I think 1-2 घंटे में report आने वाली थी, and that time he told me, he said, listen, why don't you go home, get your stuff for a week, 10 days, and you stay here. And I was like, तू पागल है, you know, because if it is positive, then I don't want you to get it and whatever. And he had, उसके I think एक हफ्ते में he had to go to Goa for some work or something. And I was like, no, you have to leave, you know, you will become positive. He's like, no, but he's like, don't be silly. तू अकेले क्या करेगी घर पे? You know, just get your things. I'll give you one room. You stay in that room, and so that there's someone there, you need anything, khana, vana, whatever, like, you know, otherwise, don't be alone and think about it and all. And yeah, and for me, I was like, oh my God, like, you know, because like genuinely.
Well, उससे पहले there was no talk of wanting to spend life together.
No,
so that was
I mean, we were dating, and like we were both like whatever monogamous and you know, jo bhi. But there was no talk of like shadi or anything. So that's the time that the seed was planted in my head. Of course, then uske baad, like I always had this thing, Stuti, that I want to if I get married, I want to be married because I want, like, the feeling should be there, you know, it's not because of any other external reason or whatever.
Arun, क्या बात?
मैं समझ गया कि ये शो इतना embarrassing क्यों है?
होने वाला है.
Because I was like, yeah, कुछ बात करेंगे, but अभी I'm fully like, भाई ये कुछ
No,
ज़्यादा,
मुझे
you know, almost to a level where you're like, भाई इतना अच्छा भी नहीं, कुछ
एक और
गड़बड़
बिस्किट
ना हो
ले ही
जाए.
लेता हूँ मैं.
People will be watching and be like, भाई इतना तो नहीं है, भाई कुछ तो. Because
So मानवी जब लाइफ में आई, what is the one?
फिर मेरी लाइफ में ऐश्वर्या आई.
तो मतलब वादन बजे फूल गिरे, but और क्या एक सबसे बड़ा difference था, particularly in, you know, over the years that you've noticed that has just made you a different person as far as your thinking, or like you said, unlearning कुछ चीजें, वो क्या थी?
so many things, यार.
You know, I keep asking, I'm like, tell me 5 things.
You do that
all the time, but never, like, शुरू में he used to be very like, okay, 5 things I'll tell you, and you know, now he's like, बस यार हो गया हर बार. He's like, again you
Today is
started.
that day.
Yeah.
Tell me those 5
So
things.
thank you, Stuti.
Oh man, you know, there's a Slovenian professor who says कि when your partner asks कि why do you love me, and you have an answer ready, and maybe there's something wrong. It's very, because again for Manvi I have, okay, it's my turn now. I feel like that cricketer ki chalo second inning, day 2. Now I have to chase that score. So many changes she has brought. This whole episode will be about that. So I'll rather just quickly tell a couple of things.
So many couples are what you will be nudging each other.
ये सब answer ready करना होता है. My top thing that I would say is something that I always tell her is her enthusiasm for life is very infectious, contagious. I really, with the kind of life we live and the kind of things that are around us, especially for 2 freelancers, which is very like हर दिन पता नहीं जीवन कहाँ है, क्या होगा, and the news that surrounds us throughout, the everything, like life can easily take a toll on you. And if you are one gambhir person sitting somewhere being all pensive, people will really be like, हाँ यार मतलब ठीक है, मतलब दुनिया ऐसी है यार, बहुत दुख है भाई दुनिया में. And then you meet somebody who is so full of life, makes you believe in life कि it's worth it यार, मतलब. And it doesn't mean we don't think about the world. We do, especially Manvi thinks a lot about world issues. But she really makes me love life. Like she brought in that, come on, let's do this. Khana order
Let's do
karte hain.
life together.
Yeah, let's do life together. What a great
Absolutely,
caption
yeah.
for this episode. Hey. So that is the biggest thing. Like every day there is something to look forward to. Finding joy in the smallest things. Like yesterday we were having our normal days. अपना कुछ काम कर रहे हैं. Suddenly she comes and she's like, कुछ खाना order करे. That just made our day because we both got so excited कि क्या order करना है, क्या खाना है, कैसे करना है. And the food comes and then we sit, we watch something together, etc. She's excited about things, which is
About food.
about food, about
Among other
travel,
things,
about
yeah.
life, about each other, about family, about just so many things that I see every day thinking, oh, this I didn't have earlier
Yeah.
maybe. Or like we said earlier, like it's not about filling the void, but it's about what extra
Yeah. So she
Things.
exudes that
she
positivity.
exudes love for life and positivity.
You know,
That
क्या
makes
बात
me
है,
love
क्या
life and love her more than.
Aww.
अगले 3 times, next 3 times that I was gonna ask you हो गया.
Oh, bhai, thank you.
ये
Thank you for
देखिए.
doing this.
We're having a conversation with chit chat करेंगे.
Okay. No?
एक chit आप लेंगे.
हाँ.
Chat after this chit.
Yeah. खोलो.
Start.
What is it?
Oh, wacky and wild.
Role reversal.
Okay, lovely. So wacky and wild से आपके लिए सवाल है.
हाँ.
If they had to wear only one outfit for the whole year, what do you think it will be?
What would I would want them to wear or what?
He will. He's most likely. to be
Oh,
found.
some Star Wars, like some pop culture reference T-shirt and jeans. Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely correct.
और आपका क्या था?
Role reversal.
Role reversal में. Okay. Please act like your partner. Okay. Mimic her. If they don't get their favorite food or they don't get what they want, how will they react?
He has too many
How
references.
do I react when Okay, just like this is a graph. It's a graph.
Yeah,
So
it's
it's-
called your blood sugar level.
Yeah. It's a
Yeah,
graph
it's called
where,
hangry.
see, if we are at this restaurant and she has come very excitedly here and वो पूरा ये excitement के साथ आई कि ये जगह बहुत अच्छी है. It starts very like, okay, क्या खा रहे हैं? Then menu देखा, ये वो देखा, okay. Excuse me. आपके पास ये है? Invariably.
नहीं होगा.
This is Murphy's law. Invariably, it'll be like, ma'am, बस वो नहीं. And there is a bar here that's increases. Okay. एक सेकेंड ना, just wait करिएगा. ये वाला नहीं. आप लिख दो ना बाहर यार. क्या क्या नहीं है. Just so that, है ना?